place that where the contour is. Oh, wow. Whoa. Just literally. What? Wow, okay. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a bit different and really exciting. We are doing a makeup tutorial. Well, we're following a Scott Barnes makeup tutorial that he did on Tati Westbrook a year ago. I know I'm late to this trend, I know, but I really wanted to do it because I did follow that tutorial in person, but I never actually filmed myself following the tutorial. So here we are, and I'm really excited about it, so let's go, okay? Before we get into today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button to join the KB family, and also hit the like button because it'll help your girl out. So yes, I have my Red Bull in me, I'm happy now, so that's all nice. So I was taken aback a little bit because I need to start off with some sort of moisturizer because...
You don't use primer?
For what?
Scott didn't use primer on Tati, and I was just kind of like, why? What's going on? Something I was concerned about too when I was watching the video is like, what if she has oily skin? Like, we're not doing any preparation for the oily skin, but I mean, here we go. So I was gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm not sure if it's still good. So I'm gonna be taking my Benefit Boing Concealer in the shade number 5, and we're just gonna apply it like Scott did. I know this concealer is a little goes a long way. Oh my god, I think this is gonna work just perfectly. So then he takes what J-Lo calls a cat paw, which is a flat concealer brush or a flat foundation brush, and he just starts patting it all into the skin. And he brings it into the nose to really help with like faux contouring, I guess you'd say, or like reverse contouring a little bit. I mean, he still contoured the nose, but then he really used the highlighting concealer to help out a lot with that. I wanted to really get... So I blended the chin, but I didn't see him blend the nose. So he took a paintbrush. However, I do not have a paintbrush to use on my face today. So I'm taking my e.l.f. contouring brush, and this is like a flat kabuki, but like a thin, not round. I don't know how to explain this. Yes, it's a little bit dirty because I use it sometimes. And I'm taking my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F18. I think it might be a little bit too dark, but that is okay. It might be very dark, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and warm this up on the brush and take it along my jawline. Oh my god, my chin has gotten so bad. Look at that. You used to be able to see my jawline, and it's just, it's gotten a little bad. Okay, we're just gonna really like chisel out my jawline. Ooh, wow, look at that. Just a little on the neck. Oh yeah, he did the cheeks first. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm just gonna go on my cheeks. And then something that I noticed that he was doing when he was doing the top was that at the end of the eyebrow, he was drawing a bit of a line right here to really give lift to the eyebrow. Whoa. Do you see that difference? Whoa. I'm gonna warm this up on the back of my hand because on the forehead, he didn't go too ham. Like, he went ham, but he didn't go like too ham as crazy as he did with the cheeks and the jaw. And then he went in on the clavicle, so we're just gonna go ahead and this is where I struggle so much. And we're just gonna take a little bit on the clavicle. I think I went a little too ham on the chest, but it's okay. I think it'll blend out perfectly. So from here, he's taking a little angled brush. I'm just gonna use this one from BH Cosmetics, number 11. And I'm gonna go in with the nose contour. And then from here, he also overlines the lips. Because this looks a little weird. Okay, but I know that we do go over it with foundation in a sec, so I'm just gonna do that, okay? Okay, so from here he went in with a darker foundation. I'm gonna be taking my L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 500. It is a bit darker than my skin tone. He took a dual fiber brush. I'm gonna be taking the Morphe M406, and he literally just went all over the body. Wow, I'm gonna do one side so you guys can see the difference. Your range of motion, like the closer, like the range of motion that you have, the closer you get to your body is just like off. I just wanted to do one side so you guys can see the difference, but like, whoa. And then it's like, I'm contoured still, it's still there. And then he brought it up to the ears. Ooh, I should have taken my earrings off, that's okay. Along the forehead. Okay, so he's just like blending in the rest of the face pretty much. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. I think I messed it up a little bit, but it's okay. Dude, my right side looks a little flawless. It looks a little good. I'm just gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way and use that. Oh yeah. But how did he apply it though? And then he blended the lips. So we're just gonna do that. I wanna say though, for this brush, he used a dual fiber, like a less dense dual fiber brush. So if you have that, I would just definitely just try and do what he did. But I don't have a smaller or another dual fiber. Okay, and then from here, you just blend it out lightly. Looking good, okay. I wanna say though, that her contour I feel like is more prominent. I think I blended it a little too hard, but I'm not gonna go back in with some more contour. It's kind of pointless. I noticed that he's going back between these two brushes, the dual fiber that he used for the foundation and the one he used for the lighter foundation. I wanna say I need to go in with a little bit more of the darker foundation. From here, he took a cream blush, and I currently don't have one. I ordered it, but that's also gonna be reviewed, so I can't use that. It's currently in the mail, on its way to me. So from here, we are going to skip over. I'm opening a Morphe M406 brush, and he just used the dry dual fiber to really just blend everything into place. Make sure it meshes well together. He did a little bit of stiffling on any parts that he didn't want to move around. Okay, from here he's taking powder. I'm taking my favorite, Laura Mercier. So the powder that he only applied it right underneath her eye. They didn't show him blending out the nose contour. They didn't show how he blended the nose contour, but whatever. Now I'm gonna go back in with some more powder. So he's taking highlighter now. He actually has a highlighter palette, and I have quite a few, but I just wanted to bust out some highlighters that I really wanted to use. So I have my favorite right now is the Milani Strobe Light Day Glow highlighter, and then I have the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Dark Horse. I never have used this because it's way too dark for my skin. And then I have the Milani Stellar Lights Rose Glow highlighting palette, and I just want to mix all of them. Woo! Girl, look at, ooh, okay, look at that. Applied some highlighter right on the center of the nose. Then he applied some on the brow bone. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. He took a Neutrogena sunscreen and applied this all over her chest and applied highlighter. So I'm taking this one. It is the Ultra Sheer Body Mist with SPF 70. And girl, I forgot to put on SPF today. It is already 5:30, okay? So that's bad. Oh wait, click her on, girl. Or, oh, she was on. We're gonna take the highlighters, really swirl them around in their chest and really get that glow going. What I really wanna do is take some of my Too Faced, what is this called? Kissable Body Shimmer. Just took some bronzer on a beveled brush, one of his brushes, which I don't have. You just place that where the contour is. Oh, wow. Whoa. Just literally. What? Wow, okay. Literally just placed it in there. Whoa, if you guys, I know this has some highlighter like left on it, but this Real Techniques brush, I don't even know if they sell it anymore. It is so good. I just want to take a little bit more here. He took a big fluffy brush to blend everything and like you said, fluff the edges. I'm taking a powder brush that I used for translucent powder. I'm just going to fluff everything on very lightly. Right here has been like the most difficult thing for me to ever try and do when I do my makeup. So I think I'm gonna start doing this technique as far as like my forehead goes, because I've always wanted that highlighted, centered forehead look, but I can never get it even when I do my concealer like crazy around here. For some reason, it just doesn't work well. I'm really liking this technique. This is good, okay? Okay. So from here, he went into lips, and I'm just like, I need to do my eyes before I do my lips, but I mean, whatever. I'm taking my Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner. We need to sharpen her. The gloss, I'm taking my Milani Ludicrous Lip Gloss in Whatever. So this is something I'm not used to. I don't know if I'm gonna like this with this makeup look, but he took a brow powder, sorry. I'm taking the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder, and he applied that with an angled brush. He took a powder from Makeup Forever. However, I don't have that powder, but I do have this. This is the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300. I know it's a lot darker than my skin tone. I'm going back in with that brush that we used earlier to cut the jaw and apply the contour. He took a shimmery powder. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild bronzer that I wasn't a fan of because of the shimmer in it. And I think it would work really well for this look. Perfect. Wow, okay. I'm glad I didn't get rid of this. Now he goes in with the eyes, and another trippy thing is he didn't use eye primer again. I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the original Jaclyn Hill palette. It's really dirty. For the lid, he just took his finger, dipped it in the shadow. I think I'm gonna go with a different lid shade because this is a little too coppery for my liking. Oh, yes. I don't know how I'm gonna do this next part because it's a little weird to me. So he takes his mascara. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty mascara, and he back combs the under part of the lashes. I'm tripping a little bit. Okay, let me just. For lashes, I'm taking my Lash Couture Faux Mink collection in Gala, I don't know, Gala. While those bitches dry, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm back in with a little bit of a darker brown on the lower lash line, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, and he just went over with a little bit more powder. I'm just gonna take the same one I used for my jaw, the Wet n Wild. Just really soften it and bring it all together. Another thing surprised me, he didn't finish with setting spray. I mean, I'm not gonna do it because I'm gonna take this off so I can film one more video, but I just want to note that there was no setting spray in the making of this video. I think that these techniques are really good. I think if you're going to some sort of event, this would be great. I think my favorite thing, honestly, I loved everything about it. The only thing I was just worried about was the primer. I don't know how well this is gonna hold up on a full day wear test. My nose is a little off. I butchered that really bad. I mean, it looks gorgeous. My favorite thing was the sunscreen trick. I really like that. That looks really good. Like, you're getting your SPF usage in, but still looking glowy and fabulous, and you look good. So I just gotta say, this whole application was really simple to follow. It looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button to join the KB family. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!